1, 2, 3?
Sure, if you can.
I can do anything you want me to do.
Thank you. All right, come on. And stick those minerals in here too. I'm gonna stick this in. So we've had an issue. We just didn't have enough bowls, I think. When they were real little, they wanted to share. Now they want their own. They're knocking over the bowl with minerals. It just needs to be hung up. It makes no sense to be on the ground. That's why we're wasting so much. So after Chris is done cleaning out the barn, we are going to go ahead and do that this evening. All right, come on. Come on, Bit-Bit. Come on, Bit-Bit. This little bird. We don't like to let her eat. Everybody comes over and starts pecking where she's pecking. Thank you, Jake. All right.
That's like the poop pile, the toy.
Of course, they're goats. Hold on, we're gonna get you. We're working on it. All right, so every morning it is very, very, very stinky and messy. And so I just use this old paint scraper thing. Gone poop scraper. Niece, what you doing, girl? Is that a good treat? Shadow.
Buckethead.
She knocked it off.
Alright, where do you want these?
Okay, I would like them to be... I would like one set here.
About this high?
Yes.
Well, I can't put it right there.
Hmm?
I can't put it right there.
Why?
Because I'm going to go right through that wood.
Okay, so
Only an inch thick.
do you want to make it lower and put it into this thing?
Hang them on this right here.
Yeah, I just don't want the chickens crapping in it. That's been the issue too. Can you do it on that bottom piece right there?
It's too low.
You want to put another piece in there to screw into? Stop it.
I have an abundance of wood right now. Just hang them right here.
For a temporary solution. No. What's that shadow? Baby goats. You a baby goat. Are you a baby goat?
You got one?
Kitty, kitty. What? Kitty. Who's eating me? That's always you. Troublesome girl.
That should work.
And then this one can be for, and that one can be lower. It can be underneath there a little bit if you're worried about them jumping on it. That one's going to be for minerals.
1, 2, 3?
Sure, if you can.
I can do anything you want me to do.
Easy with goats everywhere. Come here, Gideon. Hey. No, don't bite me. Don't bite me. No, shut her down. What is the problem, pretty girl? Hold on, we're getting you more places for yourself. Oh, that's a good idea. They're all going to be able to get in here. This is a really tight, cramped space.
They won't all get in here at once. They'll take turns and they'll get in here.
They all want to eat at the same time.
Well, it's only pleasantly 400 degrees today, so that's good.
Look, there's enough bowls for everybody now. Come on. All right, hold on.
There's 6 goats and they're all eating right in a line, except they're playing musical bowls.
We got some pretty colorful eggs. I'm really excited because this one, the chicken that's laying this egg, it was about half the size of this just a few days ago. And so just in a few days, you can see that it's starting to get a little bigger. It's not quite as big as Blanche's, but it's getting there. And they're pretty much the same kind of chicken. She's an Americana. The one that's laying this one is a lavender Americana, so you can kind of see the difference in the eggs. I'm also noticing that this one is a lot smoother than this. But interesting enough, when we crack these eggs open, the yolks are about the same size. You're getting just the same amount of egg, even though it's a bigger shell versus a smaller one. It's kind of cool. She let me do her this morning. Come here, pretty girl. Here. Come on. Come on, pig. Let's see.
So we got a new tool on the farm here. Our son Jacob, no, I'm just kidding. This is our new side-by-side that we have to help us out with farm chores on the farm here. It's a Kimco UXV 450cc 4x4, and for 2021 it's got the platform on the back here so we can throw hay bales, 50-pound bags of feed, which we've done quite a bit already, and just kind of goes anywhere. So a nice little tool to have on the farm here.